outside, wet outside. Fencers see everything, and RotGuard works in those conditions. As you see from the video, the ground is completely sopping wet in this particular area.
This I gotta see.
In fact, it's so wet that this customer has replaced his posts several times over the past decade. They needed a solution, and they turned to Fence Armor for our RotGuard. Goes on easily. It certainly is a little nicer to put on if the sleeve is at least at room temperature. I think they had it in the truck for a little while, so they were able to put it on the posts. If the post is too wet or too cold, you can use a 3M Super 77 spray. That'll help you get it adhered on really quickly. But in this case, they were warm enough from the truck, put them on, wrapped them around, and then popped them in the hole and put some concrete. They didn't have to really put any water with that concrete. They could just literally pour in the bag and it was soaked. So you can use RotGuard in extreme conditions and give your customer the warranty that he's looking for. Find us at fencearmor.com.